Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Box OAuth for mobile document access, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Box application on the Box developer console. Log into your Box account and navigate to the developer console. Select Create New App and choose the Server Authentication, Client Credentials Grant option. Fill in the required fields, including the app name and description. After creating the app, note the client ID and client secret provided. Next, configure your app settings. Under App Settings, enable the appropriate scopes for mobile document access. Make sure to set the redirect URI, which your mobile application will use during OAuth. Once the app is configured, implement the OAuth 2.0 authorization code flow in your mobile application. Begin by redirecting users to the Box authorization URL, including your client ID and the specified redirect URI. Have users log into their Box account and authorize your application. Upon authorization, Box will redirect users back to your specified URI along with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code in your mobile application. Exchange the authorization code for an access token by making a POST request to the Box token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code in the request body. If successful, Box will respond with an access token and a refresh token. Store the access token securely in your application. Use this access token to access the user's Box files and documents. If the access token expires, use the refresh token to request a new access token without requiring user reauthorization. Implement the necessary error handling to manage access token expiration or any authorization issues. Now, your mobile application is set up for secure document access via Box OAuth. Test the authentication flow thoroughly to ensure a smooth user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.